Well done, Ago. You look like you just turned the clock back there. You took us right back to 1974. You really did. Just incredible seeing and hearing you on that.
With this bike I win in Daytona my first race, and so it's...
Yeah, it means a lot. Yeah.
It's a nice to remember, yeah.
Here is a replica, Ago. This is an Arthur match list. Do you remember those?
Yeah.
And this belongs to Roy here, who's restored this lovely Arthur match list. And given that it was a very dated engine, the G50, it certainly was a good bike. You'll remember it well. And Roy's going to fire it up for us.
One time I must bring my MV 3-cylinder 500, so the music is very, very good.
Yes, it's very loud as well. It's a different sound to the Yamaha, but it's equally loud.
2-stroke and 4-stroke, a lot of different.
Yes, so we're wanting you to have a rev of it as well, and then we're aware that you've got to go and be elsewhere. So anyway, Roy, let's have it fired up. Peter Williams, famous man. Thank you, Ago. Let's have a huge round of applause for the legend that is Giacomo Agostini.
Grazie, thank you.
Thank you, Ago. And
See you-
Ago is
see you
back
soon.
here later at 2:30. He's got to do this all again.
Again?
Yes,
Okay,
so we'll
okay.
see you then, Ago.
All right, okay.
Thank you very much.
Ciao.
Thank you. Let's have another Stafford round of applause for Agostini.